How to add favorites on Temu app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add items as favorites on Temu app. For this, open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you have launched the application, make sure to sign into your account. If you do not have an account, you can simply create one. Now, you want to find the items that you want to add as favorites. You can also tap on the search bar here and then type in the keywords. Now, a variety of results will be displayed. You can tap open whichever item it is. Then, if you want to add this item as your favorite, which means you don't want to buy it now, but you want to buy it in the future, you want to scroll down and get to the product details tab. Here you have this option of save. You want to tap on heart icon. As soon as you tap on this heart icon, this item will be added to your favorites. Now you can do the same thing for other items as well. Simply tap on this save option. Once it has been saved and you want to later on find this, you want to tap on the U option. Then from here tap on wish list and all the items that you have added as your favorites on Temu will appear here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.